New design gel polish Set-12 X bottles, 5 ml, popular colors nail art gel polish, which not only can be used as color gel polish but also drawing gel liner. Each bottle comes with a line nail brush attached to the cap to make even the most intricate designs on your nails. Perfect for line drawing and DIY French line painting nail art that is so popular now. Convenient to application with these nail art brushes with gel polish, no need to change and wash clean the drawing liner pen brush when doing the nail art. Great for nail art paintings to create your own nail design, make your fingertip more attractive. Environmental healthy. The gel liner nail art set are made from 9 toxin free ingredient. It is low smell and cruelty vegan, no harsh ingredients or adhesives that lead to damaged nails. This gel paint for nails art can be highly pigmented and have good tenacity. Application and warm tips. Make sure to scrape the excess gel back into the bottle to avoid dropping. If the brush becomes curved, soak it in hot water for a while, it will return to straight. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Base and top coat required, average for LED nail lamp 60 to 120 secs. Warning: avoid the gel liner polish contact with eyes, mouth and skin. If this phenomenon occurs, wash immediately with water. If feel unwell, contact the doctor immediately. Stop using the product if redness and itching develop. Please also keep out of the reach of children. Top reviews from the United States. Love the product quality. Product works amazing. The bottles were a little bit small but overall very satisfied, and I would highly recommend to any beginners because the polygel that works with the UV light.